Hi, I'm Michael Johnson. I'm the chairman and CEO of Herbalife. And boy, do we have a solution for you. A solution to help you in these tough economic times and a solution for your health. Why Herbalife? Why now? Here's why.
Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Why Herbalife?
Well, you know, now is the perfect time. I mean, you've seen the news.
Let's face it, it's a scary time.
The economy's in trouble.
Gas prices are at an all-time high.
Everybody needs money.
Markets are crashing.
People are losing their homes.
Their jobs.
People can't buy groceries.
People are looking for something they can depend on.
A better life.
Our products support a healthy, active lifestyle.
Herbalife has the perfect, inexpensive, healthy meal.
We have the best nutrition products in the world.
Changing people's lives.
You can help others to lose weight, look good, feel good.
A better life.
That's why.
Why Herbalife?
Herbalnomics.
It's recession-proof.
When everybody else is having troubles, listen, we're flourishing.
When the economy's bad, our business is fueled.
I mean, I got started in a recession. This is my 4th recession. I'm more excited about today than ever before.
This opportunity can be your answer.
A better life?
That's why.
Why now?
Because we have great science behind us.
We have the best scientific experts in the world creating our products.
Like Louis Naro,
who received the Nobel Prize for his research on nitric oxide.
Why Herbalife?
Our nutrition advisory board includes
award-winning
scientists
who help set the standard by which nutrition and weight management will be measured.
We've got the science and the nutrition to back us. That's why.
So why Herbalife and why now?
If there's one thing that you can count on, it's Herbalife.
So think about it.
For over 28 years, Herbalife has improved people's lives all around the world.
Changing people's lives.
In more than 65 countries.
Record sales
of $3.5 billion in 2007.
Now that's incredible.
Incredible.
Why Herbalife? Because you get to be your own boss.
Earn extra money.
Work from home.
Raise your own children.
You can name your own hours.
Make part-time or full-time money.
Paying the bills.
Then you can be an independent distributor for a leading wellness company with great products.
The leading wellness company.
In the entire world.
Changing people's lives.
That's why.
Why Herbalife?
Take your family on vacations.
Give your family all the extras that they deserve.
Change your lifestyle to do whatever you want to do.
You may want to provide a great life for your children like we did.
That's why.
Why Herbalife?
Because you can finally earn what you're worth.
That's why.
Why Herbalife?
Because Herbalife is a brand built for the future. Your future.
And your children's future.
That's why.
And we're just getting started.
Why Herbalife?
Because it's truly an amazing company.
Amazing company.
Dedicated to changing people's lives.
Changing people's lives.
Around the world.
That's why.
Why Herbalife?
So many families are suffering financially.
Herbalife is a company that gives back.
Take, for instance, the Herbalife Family Foundation.
Changing people's life.
Herbalife Family Foundation is making a real difference
around the world.
They help organizations provide healthy nutrition
on a daily basis and giving them a safe place to come.
A better life.
That's why.
Why Herbalife? Why now?
Just get out there and do it. Use the products.
Be the brand.
And just get out there and talk to as many people as you possibly can.
Just go out there and do it.
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
Let's go.
Share this video with 10 people.
That you care about, that you love, that you adore, that you admire.
Share this video with them.
That's your first step.
10 people.
10 people.
10 people. I mean, 10, 15 people. You know, why stop at 15, 20 people, 30 people?
Come on, what are you waiting for?
100 people. Share with everybody. They want what we have. We got it.
Come on.
Why are you still here?
Still there? You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm not going to wait around. I'm going to go do it. I'm going to go find a couple people right now.
So why are you waiting? Come on, at Herbalife, we've got the answer to these tough economic times. Contact the person who sent you this video and start improving your life right now. Become an independent Herbalife distributor today.